Hello traders, welcome back to Startyfx channel. On this channel we trade forex, binary and also forex. So make sure you watch until the end, and if you don't have an account, make sure you register using the link in my description or in the link in my pinned post. So for today's tutorials, it's a beginner friendly, and if you don't know anything to do with trading, it's a good thing to start with. As you learn, you can deposit as little as $2 to 10 USD and to more than that. So you can come watch until the end, practice on your demo account, and then go back to trade on your real account. So after you have logged in, we just need to come here to Deriv trader, come here to synthetic, change the volatility of your shares. You can go with 100, 10, 50, 75, and then after that we need to come here to higher and lower. For today's tutorial, we are going to go back to over and under, and for this one it's a bit risky when you are depositing, or sorry, if you are staking more, if you are not willing to lose, but it's more advantageous because we can win more trades. So what we need to look here for ticks, we are just going to go with 1. Our last prediction, it's 1, so you can use this method with 1 over 1 or over 2. So over 1 or over 2, it's a beginner friendly. The next thing that we need to look here, we'll need to look on these 3 digits, 0, 1 or 2. They need to be below 10%, and also should be decreasing, and also the green bar shouldn't be on either of them. So we just need to change until we find the one that doesn't have those percentage. As you can see here, even this one, so we are going to follow the line until we find a good one, even that one. So this strategy, it's the same with other 8. Okay, 2 has the green bar. Let's go with 50s and see 0 have the green bar. So if you don't find any favorable market on over 1 or over 2, we are going to go with 8 or 9, probably 8 or 7. So this is a good market, although as you can see here, 2 has 11%. For this one we can go with over 1. So we just need to wait for this cursor to move to either 0 or 1, and then we click over. So let's just wait, and we wait patiently. So 1, we click over. So that's a win. So you can choose to take at least 5 trades in a day. 0. But as you can see here, 1, it's increasing, so it might not be favorable as we continue. As you can see, it has increased to 10.1, but as you can see, we have won at least 3 trades. So let me put my stake there. As you can see here, 1, it's increasing. So let's 0. Yeah, you see, it's increasing. So that's why we have gone a loss, a massive loss. So that's why I was telling you it's a bit risky, because if you go for one single loss, to compensate it, it may take you about 10 or more trades for you to win. But as you can see, let's try 0. I'm a bit delaying, but let's see. So I'm moving with this cursor is when it touches 0 or 1, but it's supposed to be below 10%. As you can see, 1, it's increasing. It's a bit risky, but I'm going to try it out. As you can see, it have increased even to 10.4. Let me change it. Also, we can try this one, but as you can see here, the red bar, it's on 0. So it's a bit risky because market may try to fill this percentage. So 1 over. So let's wait. We can try to take at least 2 trades here. see if we can cover up our loss. 0. Let's see. Let's take at least 2. 1. So I'm waiting for the cursor to either touch 0 or 1. Let's see. It might be risky, it's delaying. So what I usually advise my followers or my fans, it's make sure you take a few trades, because Deriv, it's very unpredictable. It can mess you up. Few trades, different session in a day can save you. And also the good thing about it is you can try using a bot. As you can see here, you have seen how many ticks they have gone on this side. If it was a bot, it could have gone profit instead of waiting for it manually. In my future videos, I'm going to show you how you can use free bots that I'm going to be sharing on my Telegram channel on how you can use them to maximize your profit. Oh, that's when I have just, yeah, as you can see, it's a loss because I haven't even waited for it to touch 0 or 1. I think it has touched 2. So let's wait. Oh, see, again, I think I can mess up. I'm supposed to be waiting 0 or 1, not 2. Let's wait. So if it was a bot, as you can see, this would have been a profit. All of those things. Let me show you. Profit when you're using a bot. 0. So but because we are doing manually, we have to wait. See, another loss. But let's wait. So this strategy, it's 90% working, but make sure this red, it's not on either of 0, 1 or 2, because the market usually tries to come back and fill this percentage, because red means it's the least appearing and green means it's the most appearing. So let me take it to 700. Oh, I have gone another loss. I was trying to say to take it to 98. So as you can see here, we have taken more than 5 trades, so it's being manipulated so much. As you can see, there is a delay. Let's wait, but don't try to recover as soon as possible, because this market, they usually manipulate it so fast, especially if you take too long in the market. As you can see, all these trades with the bot would have been a profit. Even if it's a loss, would have been maybe 2, and all those it's profit. So meaning you're going to make much more with a bot instead of manual, because manual you have to wait, you are not even sure, but with a bot you just need to check the percentage, load on the bot as soon as it goes down. Like if it was 9.4, it goes down to 9.3, you run your bot. But this one, it's a bit confusing because as you can see, red, it's the most appear. See, we have gone back to where we were. So I think I have gone about 3 losses, which is not recommended. Which is confusing us, it's the red bar here. 0 having the red. But for a bot, it's a bit faster. So what I'm doing here, I'm just trying to recover, even if it's a demo, which is not encouraged. Also, this market, it's so good for under 8. See, 9 and 8 are below 9, below 10. So it's also good for that market. So this one, it's so favorable. We can switch to, but as you can see here, green, it's nearing 8 or 9. So it's a bit risky because it can touch 7 and then goes back to 8. That's the risky thing of having 7 near what you are trading. So I just wanted to do, oh, even you have reached what I wanted to take it to 98. So my initial capital I think was 10. Oh, sin again. Now we are we are back to growing it. So my condition on this tutorial is 0 and 1 should be below 10%. 0 or 1 shouldn't be having the red bar or the green bar, and also you just wait for the cursor to touch 0 or 1 and then you click over. But the good thing about this, if you try using a bot, it's much easier and much profitable. So guys, I won't maybe take time here trying to recover. Make sure you practice this, do it on your demo account until you perfect it. And also another advice I would like to tell you, perfect on one strategy, do it as much times as possible, and then you're going to maybe see the result at the end of the day. Avoid maybe learning too many strategies maybe from here and there, because it might confuse you and you're gonna take your time learning few strategies instead of learning and practicing. So guys, see you in my next video.